Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is the elder of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. But family, this video is going to be about the domino effects of the government shutdown. It's really not about the wall no way. It's about putting you in slavery. It's about taking all your benefits. It's about cutting this and cutting that. Because America is falling. Their money ain't worth 2 cent Chinese money. If you got a fucking printing machine and you can print money, print $5 billion, motherfucker, and build a wall. But it don't go that way. That's right. Money is backed by gold and precious metals and silver and bronze. And America don't have that. That money is phony. It's 2 cent Chinese money. And a lot of people don't even know what's going down. They don't even know that America is falling flat on our face for the wrongdoings and the unjust of the melanated family and mankind. That's right, the domino effects. A lot of people can't pay their rent. A lot of people can't pay their mortgage. They're living from check to check. The TSI workers or the people work at the airport ain't got paid. Their air traffic controllers ain't getting paid. A lot of government police ain't getting paid. And they protesting in Washington right now. But y'all voted this moron in. But it's all in the game. It's all done by the elites. Trump ain't nothing but a puppet. He ain't running nothing. America is falling, and it's falling fast, family. Chaos is at the front door. The purge is on. It goes deeper than the wall. They're working on it step by step. That's right. To take food stamps away, Section 8, they're going to Ben Carson talking about paying, they got to pay more rent. This is going to be your Social Security checks. That's right. And the rich get rich and the poor get poor. The national parks look like shitholes right now because they ain't got nobody to clean them up. Everything is taking a domino effect with this government shutdown. But Trump and the higher-ups, they playing golf. They going on trips. They ain't worried about nothing. But a lot of these day-to-day workers in America, a lot of them gonna catch hell. Because the economy is gonna fall to its knees. Stock market gonna go broke. Gonna be chaos everywhere, no food. The grid's going down. Because America is going down. We must go through this phase. This is the ending of the rule of Western civilization. This is the end, family. And we must go through these tribulations and trials. And only the strong will survive. Because this is nothing to play with. This is reality. This is real reality. And a lot of these melanated people running around here thinking they're going to keep getting these free islands. They about to cut all that shit out. They about to cut it all out. And if they don't cut it all out, they're going to cut it down so far, you're going to be damn near like you're starving. That's right. They're going to cut them food stamps. They're going to cut Section 8. They're going to cut this, that, and the other. They're going to cut a lot of government benefits. And they will get the Social Security. So you better have some money on the side. You better have some food. You better have something. Because when the shit hit the fan, you're going to have to fight these niggas and the white folks, the police, and everybody else trying to get what you got. The urban city is going to be in chaos. Robbing, stealing, and killing. This is the domino effects of this so-called government shutdown. They about to get shut down. And everybody else that depends on this government that is not self-sufficient, depending on a job, those jobs gonna be gone. Money ain't gonna be worth nothing. You better grow you some food and get you a garden, because the fix is on. This ain't no bullshit. You better wake up, family. You better get your mind right. Stop watching Jerry Springer and loving hip-hop and worry about all these other distractions. You better get your mind right. Because chaos is already here in America. The fall of America and Western civilization is at hand right now, family. Whether you know it or not. But family, we're going to cut this video short. Peace, blessings, and love to all my melanated family. Although listening to this video, please subscribe, leave comments, put up the likes and share. And stay tuned for the next video or live stream. And the barber is out.